Who is the author of the novel Moby-Dick? A. Mark Twain. B. Herman Melville. C. Charles Dickens. D. Nathaniel Hawthorne. Answer B. Herman Melville. What is the largest organ in the human body by weight? A. Liver. B. Heart. C. Brain. D. Skin. Answer A. Liver. Who was the first person to orbit the Earth? A. Yuri Gagarin. B. Neil Armstrong. C. Buzz Aldrin. D. Alan Shepard. Answer A. Yuri Gagarin. What is the capital of Argentina? A. Buenos Aires. B. Santiago. C. Lima. D. Montevideo. Answer A. Buenos Aires. Which country is known as the land of the thunder dragon? A. Bhutan. B. Nepal. C. Tibet. D. Mongolia. Answer A. Bhutan. Who is the author of the novel The Chronicles of Narnia? A. J.R.R. Tolkien. B. C.S. Lewis. C. J.K. Rowling. D. Roald Dahl. Answer B. C.S. Lewis. What is the currency of South Korea? A. Won. B. Yen. C. Baht. D. Rupiah. Answer A. Won. Which is the largest desert in Africa? A. Sahara Desert. B. Kalahari Desert. C. Namib Desert. D. Nubian Desert. Answer A. Sahara Desert. Who is the author of the novel Pride and Prejudice? A. Jane Austen. B. Emily Bronte. C. Charlotte Bronte. D. Virginia Woolf. Answer A. Jane Austen. What is the chemical symbol for the element iron? A. Fa. B. Au. C. Ag. D. Pb. Answer A. Fa.